Hi everyone, I'm Stephanie Littlewood from the Littlewood Fine Art and Community Co-op in Yuma, Arizona. We are a nonprofit and we're trying to get some help as far as donations and funding. A simple way to donate to the co-op would be by using the Amazon Smile. We just found out about this today. It's really neat. So if you look on your screen here, what you would do is put smile.amazon.com and then search for us. And I can show you how to do that in just a moment. But if you look down here under About Amazon Smile, this part right here is what really explains it for me. Amazon is a simple and automatic way for you to support your favorite charitable organization every time you shop at no cost to you. I have checked this website out, and mostly everything that I've bought through regular Amazon is on smile.amazon.com. So that's kind of nice. So what I'm going to do is show you how to find us. So first you go to smile.amazon.com, and then this page will kind of pop up. And you can do this with any charity. You don't have to do it just with us, but I just want people to know it's out there. So here's some, some other charities right here. Or you can pick your own. So what you would do is type in Littlewood Fine Art, click search, and there we are, Littlewood Fine Art Inc. You press select, and that's it. And then every time I go onto Amazon, if you go to Amazon.com, it won't translate. You have to go to smile.amazon.com. I want to thank you guys for watching this, and hopefully you guys can start helping out other charities or ours as well. Thank you guys so much.